Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this project is a bench wise lathe machine, and this is a this part is a drawing here a collar design, and how to this collar design is all process is learn here easily and clearly. And and this project is a bench wise lathe machine, and all parts is one by one is all parts is drawing here at first, and last is all parts is assemble here. Okay guys, this is a very important, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view. All view you can see here on the screen, and this body is a this part is a isometric view. Okay, and all dimension in inch, and this is a very important. Okay, this is a this body is a collar design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is also cosmetic thread is you can see here on the screen, and this is a cosmetic thread, and this part is cut out is also. Okay, this part is a drawing here easily and clearly you can see here. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first select a part, and part is a. Okay, some setting is very important, and at first plain white, and going to this option, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and unit is also change here. This is a IPS, this is a inch. Okay, all setting is a complete here, and this is a at first select this is a front view because all two dimension is looking perfect, and this is a bigger diameter is the big circle diameter is a 0.81 inch, and a small circle diameter is a 0.05 0.52 inch. And okay, this is a this thickness is 0.38 inch, and this thickness is a 0.44 inch, and this is a diameter is 0.72 inch. Okay, and this cutout is a perfect, and this plane is a top view, and this is a 0.09 inch and 0.13 inch. Okay, let's drawing this part. Okay, at first select a front plane. Okay, drawing a two circle, a big circle and a small circle. Okay, this is a this, and define a dimension is a this 0.81 inch. Okay, and this is a small diameter is a 0.52 inch. Okay, all is perfect. 0.81 inch and 0.52 inch. Okay, all is perfect. And going to this extrude boss, and extrude boss is a. Okay, and this is a direction is reverse. Okay, and this is a thickness is a point. Okay, this thickness is a 0.38 inch. Okay, 0.38 inch. Okay, this thickness is 0.38 inch. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, and this body is a drawing here perfect, and this is a cosmetic thread is you can see here on the screen. And at first going to this option, and some setting is very important, and going to this document properties, and this is a detailing, and this is a sided cosmetic thread is a check here. Okay, and okay, and again going to this insert, and going to annotation, and cosmetic thread is a you can see here. Okay, and select this. Okay, select this edge. Okay, and this is a start from face. Okay, this is a complete here. Standard is none, none is a select here, and this is a 0.76 inch, and this is a blind is select here, and this is a 0.375 inch is perfect. All is perfect and correct. Click OK. Okay, this is a done, and this face is sketch and normal, and this is a select here and going to convert entities. Okay, and again drawing a circle, a big circle. Okay, and define a dimension. Dimension is this 0.72 inch. Okay, all is perfect. All is perfect and correct. Okay, and again going to extrude boss. Extrude boss is a this is a perfect drawing here, and this is a thickness is a 0.44 inch. Okay, this is a 0.44 inch is perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. Okay, and okay, and again this cutout is a very important, and going to this cutout, and at first select a plane is top view is better, and select a top plane and sketch normal. Cutting this select a corner rectangle, and corner rectangle is a drawing here this okay, and some relation is very important, and select a mid this origin point, and press a control button and select this line, and this is a midpoint is perfect. And okay, this dimension is a 0.09 inch, and this height is a 0.13 inch. Okay, all is perfect. And this is a distance is a 0.09 inch, and this is a 0.13 inch. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and going to this going to extrude cut, and extrude cut is a this is a through all both side. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a okay, and this is a perfect and correct is a drawing here. Okay, all is perfect setting here. Okay, and material is apply here at first going to this appearance, and going to metal, and going to this nickel, and nickel is a polished nickel is perfect. Okay, and isometric view is this. Okay, and guys all point. Okay, and guys all point is learn here easily and clearly, and I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, and next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.